This video tutorial shows you how to stake your Safex tokens. First thing to do is log into your TWM wallet. I always use my local node, as block sync occurs much faster than with the default daemon host. Always allow a few moments for your wallet to sync to the current top block and for your balances to update. Check your Safex token balance to see how many you can stake. Remember, the minimum stake amount is 25,000 tokens. Enter the amount of tokens you want to stake into the token field, then select your preferred mix-in amount. Click on Stake, then proceed through the transaction confirmation windows by clicking OK as required. Now we wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. While you're waiting for this to happen, your balance may not appear accurate due simply to the cryptonote protocol used by the Safex blockchain. After the Safex transaction is processed, your Safex Cash balance will show a pending amount for any leftover Safex Cash returned from the transaction fee output, and any additional token outputs used for obfuscation purposes will also show as pending. After 10 blocks, the staked Safex token balance will now reflect the new transaction. However, if you left the wallet on the Tokens tab the entire time, the stakes table won't yet show the new staked amount. Simply click on any other wallet page, then return to the token page. Now your new staked tokens appear in the stakes table, along with the block height they were staked and the accrued rev share amount of Safex, which at this point will be 0. The TWM wallet makes it a simple and easy process to get your token staked and start earning rev share from all goods and services purchased on the Safex blockchain. Happy shopping on the Safex Market.